The Khasi Students' Union conducted a surprise visit to the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science, Umiam, yesterday to meet with the Dean, Dr. D. Thakuria, over concerns about the recruitment exams for lower division clerk and upper division clerk. The union is demanding fairness and transparency after the exams were moved to Guwahati, causing hardship for local candidates, especially from economically disadvantaged backgrounds. The KSU suspects the decision favoured out-of-state candidate. Despite submitting a letter to the Dean and Vice-Chancellor, no action was taken, leading the KSU to demand the Dean's immediate removal.
Katkum ka admit kibarin KPE by exam di bantu apa UC College. Mentapat how new ka admit ka bertemang ipa ki ai ka center sipo Guwahati. Kani itu bakat tu suba ka di bantu nyarap ya ka tu konimut kiwi kiwi pergi jela bantu suku ki bikin la bantu ka exam. Buat pendu ini kidan kumbasan hajar ngut ki candidate tiba apply nak kalian jungi la ba unu ba ki kena apa ki hab kini to exam shu Guwahati wat la ka office ko dan ni scam ba aku nong dem ba exam nak di bantu bi hapo Umiam dam la man pendap ha ni ha college kini ban page kiwi kumujule kiwi institute makapo.